Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the drain hose in your front-load washer, be sure to unplug the power cord and shut off the water supply. Remove the hot and cold water supply lines from the inlet valve ports. Be prepared for some water to spill. Have an assistant help you to move the appliance away from the wall. Using a Phillips-head screwdriver or a No. 2 square drive bit, unthread the rear screws securing the top panel. Remove the panel. Use needle nose pliers to help extend the spring to remove the retainer from the door boot seal. Peel the boot seal off the lip of the front panel. Lift and support the front of the washer. Unthread the 4 screws securing the bottom of the front panel. Pull out the dispenser drawer and depress the tab to fully release. Now unthread the 2 larger screws inside the dispenser drawer housing. Next, unthread the 3 screws securing the top of the front panel. Lift the front panel up and out to detach. Disconnect the 2 wire connectors to fully remove the panel. Use pliers to release the spring clamp so you can detach the drain hose from the drain pump. Detach the front hose retainer from the base. Support the left side of the washer. Then detach the 2 left side hose retainers from the base. Remove the support. Next, use a T20 Torx bit to unthread all of the screws securing the rear panel. You will need to use a Phillips-head screwdriver to unthread the screw securing the panel to the motor control board housing. Using the Phillips-head screwdriver or a No. 2 square drive bit, unthread the screw to release the power cord grounding wire. Depress the tab to disconnect the power cord wire connector. Next, unthread the screws securing the vibration damper. Set the damper aside. Unthread the screws securing the drain hose mounting flange. Remove the flange. Slide the retaining disc off of the drain hose, and you can fully remove the rear panel. Release the drain hose from the rear retainers, and you can fully remove the old hose. Install the new drain hose by feeding the curved end through the rear of the washer cabinet to the front. Secure the hose in the 2 rear retainers. Feed the hose through the hole in the rear panel. Reposition the panel on the frame. Then thread the screws to secure. Connect the power cord wire connector and secure the grounding wire to the panel with the screw. Realign the drain hose flange and thread the screw to secure. Slide the retaining disc onto the end of the hose. Reinstall the vibration damper. Returning to the front of the appliance, snap the two left side hose retainers into the base, along with the front retainer. Slide the spring clamp onto the end of the hose. Attach the hose to the drain pump and secure it with the clamp. Support the front of the appliance. Reinstall the front panel by first connecting the control board wire connector and the door latch wire connector. Align the panel on the mounting pins and push down. Rethread the 3 screws on top. Replace the screws in the dispenser drawer housing. Reinstall the dispenser drawer. Rethread the 4 screws to secure the bottom of the front panel. Remove the support. Align the door boot seal on the lip of the front panel. Secure it with the retainer by aligning the spring at the top, then insert the retainer into the groove of the boot seal. Realign the top panel and secure it with the screws at the rear. Move the appliance back against the wall. Reattach the hot and cold water supply lines to the inlet valve ports. Turn the water supply back on. Plug the power cord back in, and your front load washer should be ready for use.